Hey there, farmhouse lovers. If you adore vintage charm, rustic warmth, and timeless decor, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into stunning vintage farmhouse decor ideas that bring character and coziness to any space. Whether you're adding a few simple touches or completely transforming your home, these ideas will inspire you to create that perfect farmhouse feel. Vintage farmhouse style is all about blending old and new. Think distressed wood, aged metals, and soft, neutral tones that make any space feel inviting. Repurposed furniture, antique decor, and textured fabrics add charm, telling a story of warmth and history. Adding depth and personality to a room is easy with layered textures. Woven baskets, aged wood, soft linen, and delicate lace create a lived-in look that feels both stylish and comfortable. Vintage signs, rustic shelves, and well-loved books add an extra touch of nostalgia. It's the little things that make a space truly feel like home. Soft candlelight, a weathered tray with vintage ceramics, or an old clock hanging on the wall, these small details can transform any corner into a cozy retreat. Whether it's an antique mirror, a reclaimed wood bench, or a delicate floral arrangement, every piece adds warmth and personality. Farmhouse decor is all about mixing and matching. Pairing vintage finds with modern comforts creates the perfect balance of old and new. A rustic wooden table, a distressed cabinet, or a repurposed ladder can add farmhouse charm without overpowering the space. The color palette plays a big role in creating that farmhouse feel. Soft whites, Muted grays, warm beige, and earthy tones bring a calming, timeless vibe. Adding pops of greenery, like potted plants, fresh flowers, or dried herbs, enhances the natural beauty of the space. Farmhouse decor isn't just about big pieces. It's about creating inviting corners that feel warm and personal. A cozy reading nook with a vintage chair, a rustic side table with an old lamp, or a simple wooden tray styled with candles and books. These small vignettes bring charm to any space. Thrifted finds and antique treasures are key to farmhouse style. An old picture frame, a weathered window pane, or a chippy painted dresser can become a statement piece with the right placement. Mixing textures and materials, like wood, metal, and glass, adds dimension and interest. Which of these farmhouse decor ideas is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe Cozy Vintage Vibes, and hit that bell so you never miss more vintage farmhouse inspiration.